In this video, we are unboxing and flipping through some planner goodies from Rongrong Illustrations. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. So here's the story. Jen, Rongrong's community manager, reached out to me and asked if I would like to share some Rongrong's planner goodies on the Planner channel. Obviously, the answer is yes. So she sent some happy mail for us to try, and here it is. I am so excited to open this happy mail from Rongrong. The Planner channel is now an affiliate for Rongrong, and I am so excited to open this package of goodies from Rongrong to share with you. This is so cool. I wonder what is in here. And look at this tape. Dream big. Chic fashion art for everyday life. Okay, I'm not even gonna look. Let's just start. Oh, let's take out everything and then we'll see what's in here. I'm so excited because there's a planner. Rongrong Devo. And there's a little card about Rongrong. WinterLand sticker pack. Fall sticker pack. Summer sticker pack. Spring sticker pack. Holiday stickers! Yay! And a planner. Let's check out the planner. It is rose gold twin loop with a vision board about Rongrong, goals, daily rituals, your currently page with focus for the month, monthly tab, a monthly overview. It's an undated vertical planner layout. Let's flip and look at the tabs. Oh wait, it's cute. It has trackers down here on the left and little cute illustrations on the top left corner. And let's look at the tabs. I love those shoes. I love everything. I love all of Rongrong stuff. Okay. Summer girl. More summer girls. Love. I would totally wear that. My power is turned on. Whatever you do, do it well. Goal digger. Ooh, what's in the back? So after this month, it looks like there's some additional note paper in the back, some different designs. Oh, there's like coloring books in the back. That is so cool. And stickers. Awesome. Really, really cool. Love it, love it. Leave a comment and tell me which of these 4 sticker books is your favorite. Are you the holiday girl, winter, spring, summer, or fall? Let's flip through the sticker books now. I want to start with fall. Hello fall, WinterLand, spring bloom, and then summer fun because right now it is fall. So let's open these up. I'm so excited about stickers. Okay, okay. So this pack has 12 pages of stickers in it. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Halloween. We'll probably use those this week. Halloween stickers, fall stickers. Maybe I'm up too close. Let me put it down so I'm not moving around. That's better. So let's flip let's do like a flip like this. Okay. So we have boxes. Hey there, pumpkin. So cute. Fall and Halloween. These are clear. Ooh, 2 sheets of those. Fall girls and their cozy clothes. 2 sheets of those. Whoop. Halloween and fall. Fall seasonal things. Halloween and fall. Ooh, love those. And, oh, that's the back. All right. So the boxes, okay, so these are a little different. All those are clear stickers, and then 2 pages of these white paper stickers in the front. Next pack, WinterLand. Okay, WinterLand, 12 pages. Let's see if it's like the same format with like 2 white paper stickers in the front boxes. Yes, and then it looks like clear stickers after that. Let's flip these over. I love these colors, this soft pink and like gray blue. Oh man, they're so cute. Look at that Christmas tree dress. Not a lot of snow skiing here in Florida. This is more of our winter kind of clothing. So cute. Look at those cozy clothes. I would wear something like that. Snow day. So cute. Ooh, I love the little sweaters. Look at those ice skates, candles. Oh my gosh. Right. Spring bloom. Okay, ooh, look at that, lemons. I've been wanting to do a lemon squeezy spread forever and I still haven't done it yet. Look at that, I love that. So these are our spring stickers, 2 sheets of boxes in the front, and then clear stickers, 2 sheets of these different designs. Ooh, look at that. St. Patrick's Day outfit, so cute. This will be perfect for my lemon squeezy spread someday. I need to schedule it for in the spring. And then the Monstera leaves, I love those for summer, summer spreads. Look at those doggies. Ooh, that's pretty. These are gonna be fun, I can't wait. Summer fun, my favorite time of year. I love this color palette with the leaves and the pink. Hello, summer. 2 pages of white boxes. Then we have some clear sheets of our girls in all their summer clothes. Really cute. Man, don't you wish you could order some of this stuff? I want the swimsuit. Rongrong, you need to make some clothing too, girl. Ooh, look at those ice creams. Oh, everything's so cute. I love holiday stickers, so this one will probably be my I don't know, I love summer stickers. I love, like, summer season is my favorite, but I love decorating with holiday stickers. Let's check these out. There's clear. So cute. I love all the colors. These are my colors, like lavender, coral, orchid, yeah, and bright pink and soft pink. Love it. So these are, I think these are all clear so far. These are clear also. We'll have to try out like what kind of pen's gonna write on that. You even have Hanukkah stickers. Holiday season. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Love. I cannot wait to decorate with these. These are awesome. Look at the little nail polish. Ooh, I want that. Both of those right now. Let me go back. Yeah, that could totally be my peppermint latte. Clear, clear, clear. I think they're all clear stickers. Oh, we can do a sweater spread. That was super fun to do, an ugly sweater spread. I'll definitely do that again this year. Look at the slippers. Oh my gosh, I love it. So here's all the goodies. Thank you so much to Rongrong and Jen for sending this care package for the Planner channel as a new affiliate. Stay tuned for the first Rongrong Plan with me. All the details about the products will be listed in the description box. Also, stay tuned for a brand new Rongrong Planner that's coming out for 2022. It will be a disc-bound planner. Eee! If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!